What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the daily because it does look like that this $44,000 daily level is holding nicely as support. And this could be the last point of support before we continue to the upside. And I want to explain that we are potentially in an accumulation phase right over here, and we're going to go to much higher levels in the next coming weeks. Now, of course, I'm going to talk about the bearish case scenario, the invalidation point where I'm going to start becoming bearish, and we are going to take a look at the 4 hourly to check out these major levels that I'm talking about. So make sure to stay tuned. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily take on Bitcoin crypto, also to live streams to connect with the community, not financial advisors. So don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in, guys. Let's see if with this video can get 1,000 likes, because if you smash up the like button and comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. So make sure to smash up the like button and comment down below. Let's dive in, guys, because I've been eyeing this. Okay, this looks very, very interesting, where we do have this major support level that we did create back in December till we broke it in January. And as you can see, it was major resistance to get above this major level. Now, we did have a big selling climax, okay, and an automatic rally after we broke this major support level, acting as major resistance, a secondary test, a small rally, and last point of support till we actually broke this major resistance. And now we're having the last point of support before we have the big insane rally, guys. This is very much possible. It does look like, as you can see on the picture, that we are kind of following these steps as the last moment before we have an insane rally that could take the Bitcoin price to much higher levels. Now, of course, the invalidation point here for me would be this $44,000 range, where we do have that nice daily level with many daily closes and opens, okay, where we did get that bounce. Now, if we do fail to hold this support level and go to much lower levels, then this could get very, very messy, and we could go to much lower levels. As long as we are above 44K, I am remaining bullish to see Bitcoin to much higher levels. Now, remember the trading platforms that I use. My favorite ones is Bybit for swing trading. You can get up to $4,620 worth of bonus with my link down below. And Prime XBT, I use it for day trading, also trading stocks, because they have a huge amount of assets and you deposit cryptocurrency. You can get up to $7,000 worth of bonus. Basically, you get 7% added to your initial deposit by using Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. I have full tutorials down below in the description of these two platforms. Now, if we jump here to the 4 hourly chart, I just want to show you here, as you can see, with the point of control, nothing has changed just too much. We're just basically consolidating here, creating slightly higher lows and lower highs, as you can see, just getting ready for that potential rally, because we are above this insane major resistance that is turning into support. We can see it also on the VPVR. We have a huge gap in between the 47K levels and the 44K range, where we do see the point of control going absolutely massive. This is currently why we are bouncing at that range, right? So my take is that this level is going to hold nicely before we continue to the upside. Now, of course, if we do break that $44,000, then this is going to invalidate this potential accumulation event, right? Because if we do not hold this major resistance as support, then of course, this is very likely going to come to much lower levels. So this is something that we need to analyze in the next couple of days, because basically this accumulation, this last point of support consolidation, is coming to its end. We cannot be here for weeks, right? The price will decide in the next coming days if we are finally going to break the $48,000 and continue to the upside, or come back down, retest this low of $44,000 and continue back down, guys. There's going to be major opportunities here for selling. Also, as soon as we break this major support level, it will be turning back into resistance if we do have a solid breakout with huge volume. Not much to add in this episode, guys, is price actions looking a little bit boring. There has been major opportunities, okay? As you can see here on the chart, we can zoom in on the 1 hourly where we have found out major opportunities right there about this, looking at this major support level turning into resistance, okay? Quick short position right over here also to make some gains. And we've also hit the 618 from this mega pump and this retracement, like an ABC correction right there, hitting the 618. I did long this on Prime XBT, did a little bit of a small trade. It was only about a 2-hour trade right over here. If we take the low from the highs, we did hit that 618 level, as you can see, getting that massive big bounce, and that was a great trading opportunity. Now, what will happen to the price action? This is something that we want to take a look. We are getting heavy resistance from this major zone, major rejection here, as you can see, a kind of a double top pattern making this correction. Now, looking very, very interesting. This is, we need to decide in the next coming hours, a couple of days, if we are finally going to come down, retest this support and potentially get a big bounce, or we actually going to break this resistance zone of $47,000, reaching the $48,000 range and continuing to the upside. Now, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to do a live stream later. We're going to try and find some very good scalping or day trade opportunities all together. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website for the latest news and technical analysis ideas. Nearly $500,000 raised through selling NFTs and Ukraine. This is the latest article posted here. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you guys in the live stream.